$10,000 a month? How about $20,000 or $30,000 a month? Forget side hustles, this real estate play is a gold mine. With millions of boomers about to need housing and assistance, the biggest opportunity is right in front of you. Here's how to get in before it's too late. If you've ever thought about starting a business, now could be the perfect time. Selling products online through platforms like Shopify, Amazon, and Etsy, they make it easy to launch your own store. But if you're passionate about fitness or coaching or teaching, consider creating a subscription-based service. Or you could start investing in real estate. This is a surefire way to cash flow well, but the traditional ways of making money with real estate, they're just not working the same ways that they used to. Nowadays, you need to find a way to not just hold the real estate and wait forever to see money on it, but actually cash flow on it, enough to make the investment worth it. Single-family rentals cash flowing a couple $100 a month, or an Airbnb cash flowing $1,000 or $2,000 a month, that's not going to let you quit your job and go into this full-time as a real estate investor. So what do? Well, here's where we need to start looking at the big picture. And when we do this, we can see that there's a huge supply and demand issue coming. We call it the silver tsunami of seniors. With more than 10,000 people every single day turning 65, the eldest baby boomers are 5 years out from needing the assistance and care that assisted living homes offer. But when they need it, we have a huge crisis or a mega opportunity, depending on how you see it. Currently, in the senior housing market, we are 1.3 million beds short, and there are 76 million baby boomers, and they're not even in the care homes yet. This is where residential assisted living comes in. It is an opportunity to buy real estate, an appreciating asset, and hold on to it while creating a business that serves your community and your family and creates jobs and cash flows like crazy. I show people how to own and operate residential assisted living homes just like I do every single day. If you want to learn about this lucrative business opportunity, check out this video right here on YouTube next. I break it all down and you're not going to want to miss it. The average cost in our country right now for senior housing is $5,500 per month. You'll be allowed to have somewhere between 6 and 16 residents in the home. So let's just go down the middle. With 10 residents in one of these homes, it should be bringing you in over $10,000 a month net take home. And maybe you choose to do a luxury residential assisted living home with rates as high as $8,000 per month per resident, and you have 16 residents after all expenses are paid to the staff, the mortgage, liability insurance, etc., etc. You could be cash flowing over $30,000 a month or more on just one home. I'll show you more of that in that next video and break it down step by step. You see, Etsy is cool and having a fitness online course is great, but doing good and doing well, you just can't beat that. Plus if your loved ones ever need care and assistance, you don't have to sweat. You already have an option ready to go. They can move in for free and you can keep cash flowing. If you live in a high-end market or a market where there are not as many senior housing options, the sky is the limit on how much you can make. I had one student cash flowing over $40,000 a month on just one residential assisted living home in New Jersey. And guess what? Best part, it's not even full time. You don't have to work or live in the home. This is a great way to cash flow and serve seniors. Watch this video next right here on YouTube to keep the learning going about senior housing and the opportunity with residential assisted living. See you next time.